Hi, Roger Foxwell, hypnotherapist, holistic counsellor, EFT and NLP practitioner. Thanks for joining me. This is a technique I put together for my clients a few years ago, and I've recorded it once, but I see so many clients who are suffering from teeth grinding that I thought it worth a rerun with some extra jaw and body relax techniques as well. I often ask clients suffering with anxiety and stress if they find they're grinding their teeth. Our brain can try to ease stress at night by grinding the teeth, in effect without asking you. The stress has to go somewhere, but obviously this is not a very healthy way to solve the problem. However, my clients who use this simple and relaxing techniques achieve excellent results, rapidly experiencing noticeable improvements and often complete release from this unconscious habit. So just follow along and enjoy the body and mind relaxation. So we're going to take two fingers like this, place them behind the jaw, so I'm just below the ear and just off the jaw itself. So that point one, and then I'm going to move the fingers just a little bit forward onto the jaw, point two, and then into the middle there, point three, and then point four. So we're going to tap on those points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very gently moving onto the jaw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the middle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Underneath the lips there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything's very gentle. Keep your fingers there and just massage as lightly as you can, on that point for a few seconds. Then we'll go back to the middle, few seconds, and then to the end of the jaw, but not over it yet, few seconds, and then over the jaw under the earlobes, few seconds. Now we're going to keep our fingers there, but we're actually going to move them onto the muscle just below the ears. It goes down to the neck, and we're just going to draw the fingers down, and this will clear the lymph glands there and also energize the vagus nerve. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.